Indian culture's view of intimate relationships in the past. Intimate relationships in ancient Indian culture were not hidden or considered an absolute taboo, but rather integrated into a broad philosophical, religious, social, and cultural framework. Understandings of the subject were formed from a variety of ancient sources, such as religious texts, classical literature, and traditional texts, demonstrating a complex and diverse perspective over time. 1. Philosophical and religious basis. The concept of karma. Karma is one of the four goals of life, purusartha, in Hindu philosophy, along with dharma, duty and morality, artha, wealth and well-being, and moksha, spiritual liberation. In this context, karma refers not only to sexual desire, but also to love, aesthetic pleasure, and meaningful relationships. Ancient texts such as Vatsyayana's Kama Sutra, 1st-6th century CE, and Kokoka's Ritirahasya explain that karma must be practiced in balance with dharma and artha to avoid causing harm to oneself or others. Diverse religious views. Hinduism. Some Hindu scriptures depict intimate relationships as a natural part of life. For example, in the Ramayana and Mahabharata, harmonious marital relations are depicted as the foundation of family and societal stability. Deities such as Shiva and Parvati are also often associated with symbolism of love and spiritual union through physical intimacy. However, religious teachings also emphasize the importance of chastity and self-control, especially for those in the spiritual stage of life. Sannyasa. Buddhism. While Buddhist teachings focus more on self-sacrifice and release from desire, they do not prohibit intimate relationships for ordinary people. Buddhism advocates avoiding violence and abuse in relationships and emphasizes the importance of compassion and mutual respect between partners. Jainism. Jainism emphasizes non-harm, ahimsa, and strict self-control. Intimate relationships are permitted for ordinary people, but must be conducted respectfully and without causing harm, either physical or emotional. 2. Classical literature and art. Classical literature. Many ancient Indian literary works depict intimate relationships in artistic and meaningful ways. For example, the poems in Sangam literature, ancient Tamil literature from the 3rd century BC to the 3rd AD, often depict love and relationships between men and women in various contexts, from young love to long-term marital relationships. These works discuss not only the physical aspects, but also emotions, conflicts, and relationship dynamics. The Kama Sutra, one of the most famous texts on intimate relationships, is not just a book about sex. It also discusses how to nurture relationships, build trust, and even the art of beauty and dressing. This text classifies different types of love, ways to express feelings, and communication techniques between partners. Visual arts. The architecture of ancient Indian temples, such as the temples of Khajuraho, Konark, and Hampi, features reliefs depicting various scenes from life, including intimate relationships. These reliefs not only represent physical desire but also carry symbolic meanings about spiritual unity, the cycle of life, and the harmony of the universe. Some scholars believe that these reliefs also serve to remind visitors of the importance of enjoying worldly life while maintaining spiritual awareness. Other classical sculptures and paintings also often depict couples in love, with an elegant and graceful style. 3. Social norms and the family. The role of family in society. In ancient Indian society, marriage was considered a social and spiritual obligation. Intimate relations within marriage were expected to produce healthy offspring and preserve the family line. Couples were expected to respect and support each other, both in their domestic life and in fulfilling social obligations. Social norms also governed behavior in intimate relationships. For example, extramarital sex was generally frowned upon, especially for women. However, there are also examples in literature and history of wild love depicted as powerful and inevitable, despite its perceived inconsistency with social norms. Intimate relationship education. Intimate relationship education in ancient Indian society was generally imparted indirectly through folklore, literature, and family teachings. Parents or older family members would advise their children on marital responsibilities and how to maintain a harmonious relationship. Texts such as the Kama Sutra may also have served as a reference source for couples seeking to deepen their understanding of intimate relationships. 4. Change over time. With the influx of foreign cultural influences and societal developments, views on intimate relationships in India have also changed. During the British colonial period, more conservative Western values about sex began to influence Indian society, and intimate relationships became more taboo to discuss openly. However, the ancient cultural heritage of intimate relationships remains alive and continues to be a part of India's cultural identity, even today. In modern times, more and more Indians are beginning to discuss intimate relationships more openly, while still respecting their cultural and religious values. Many books and research projects are being conducted to reinterpret ancient texts like the Kama Sutra in a contemporary context, as well as to promote proper sex education and healthy relationships between couples. Are you interested in learning more about how modern Indian views on intimate relationships
मेंबरशिप
relate to
ज्वाइन कर
their
पाएंगे
ancient
इसमें आप
cultural heritage, or perhaps want to
नाराज हो
delve
किस
deeper
लिए?
into a specific aspect, such as temple art or classical literature, related to this topic?
किसके लिए नाराज हो? हर हर महादेव, मैं ड्रीम लेवल ज्वाइन कर सकता हूँ? बिल्कुल कर सकते हो, बिल्कुल। नहीं बचाना। मेंबरशिप ज्वाइन करवाई जल्दी से प्लीज़। कब किए? कब? आप इंस्टाग्राम पे आकर मुझे ना पेमेंट कर दो। इंस्टाग्राम पे आ जाओ, सीधा व्हाट्सएप पे आपको ज्वाइन कर लूँगी। व्हाट्सएप पे फिर बात करना मेरे से। इंस्टाग्राम आईडी में मैसेज करो। थैंक यू। मेंबरशिप में होगा, इस मेंबरशिप में प्लीज़ जल्दी जल्दी से मेंबरशिप ज्वाइन करो आप लोग। मेंबरशिप में आ जाओ गाइस।